front of me is OnePlus 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. First of all, open Settings and scroll down. Then tap on Notifications and Status bar. When you're ready, scroll down again and tap on Manage All right next to App Notifications. Then select Resend at the top and click on the best option for you, like frequency. Last but not least, use blue switcher next to any app to block notifications from it. You can switch them back on by hitting the same now gray switcher. You can also go back, select any app from here and click on this switcher next to allow notifications to switch them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!